Wagwan bad people. In this update, we have Devin the Dakta at this up Masicka. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Devin the Dakta drop a song and a this Masicka. Vybz Kartel name call and also Alkaline. Plus we also have Silkboss at True Shades at Jahshii. So this update is one that you do not want to miss. Big up on yourself, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. Remember, leave a subscribe and feel free to leave a like. Yeah man, make a jump right into it. So remember when Silkboss and Jahshii used to go at it? Yeah man, the two entertainers them used to clash. But to be honest, the people them have it for say a Silkboss win the clash. But anyways, Silkboss post one of the song them on him IG and him a remind the people them and him a remind Jahshii what time it is. Viewers and subscribers, pre-war go on.
That motherfucker! Chop him blood!
So for those who don't remember, well, this is one of the songs them that Silkboss used for this up Jahshii, Last Nation. I'm not gonna lie, the song tough. So if you don't remember, you can go look back on the song and made it. You see me? Yeah man, and on the post it says remember. So it seems like Silkboss are remind the fans them and also remind Jahshii. Viewers and subscribers are be things are going in a dance hall. The artists them head hot. I'm like to see it, no joke, because we know what the artists them capable of. So we want to see them run out, you see me? Yeah man, remember you know, viewers and subscribers, me tell you say yo, Devin the Dakta boss couple shot over the pan Masicka, and him also call Vybz Kartel and also call Alkaline name. So yeah man, the artists them head hot, and me like to see it. You don't know, so the summer hot, you know, so we want to see the clash them, you see me? But yeah man, and just leave on the take down below. Don't know Silkboss them a bad artist in the man, you see me? Yeah man, the artists them head hot. Dance all a be things are go on. No joke. We want to see the clash them. Yeah man, we want to see the artists them run out and clash. No joke. Unity is strength, but we want to see the clash them.
Jahshii start war and him run from me. She said them shaky like old smarty.
So we have Devin the Dakta at this up Masicka. Viewers and subscribers from what the Masicka name cannot left the media. So I'm going to show you what go on, and I'm just leaving a take down below in the comments. Vybz Kartel name call and also Alkaline.
Bet said them stay mute when them hear the song, yeah. Only but the name group them a baby gangster.
So from on see the cover art, on don't need no more if you know say yo a Masicka, the G of this. You see me, that's basically a crocodile with two rat ears. You see me? Devin, I make them know say yo, Masicka only bad in a him group, him a baby gangster. You don't know say Masicka recently went live with him friend them and this up mad sauce.
A cartel scared them, you coulda swear a toddler, and the whole world see it say you're afraid of alka.
Kartel scare them, you coulda swear a toddler. The whole world see you're afraid of alka. Viewers and subscribers, you don't need nothing more. If you know say a Masicka, Devin the Dakta at this brawling. You see me? Yeah man, I don't know say Alka rush Masicka recent, well not recent, but him drop couple songs where you know you could have tell say a Masicka am a this, and Masicka never respond. You see me? So Devin the Dakta at this up Masicka brawling. He don't need no more if you know say a Masicka. So viewers and subscribers, leave on a take down in the comment section. As me say from what here, Masicka name cannot come out of the media. Everybody have something to say. You see me? So leave on a take down below, viewers and subscribers, like always. Anyways, I could continue.
J Progress, come here there. I see you make a vlog about me. Say me a waste man and Masicka them should tell me say them a fling a shot in my forehead. More, you stop talking about Gaza. Because you come like nobody no want to tell you. You don't realize that Gaza fans them cancel you. When you come talk say Kartel a Batman, you don't realize that the Gaza fans them cancel you. Brother, me talk whole heap of things about Vybz Kartel. But the one thing me never do, me never style Addy yet. And none of you can post a video of me a style Addy. I call Addy Batman, I say Addy this, Addy that. None of you can post that. I'm telling you, J Progress. No matter how hard you try. I one thing, Gaza people, let me show say them love me more than you. Cause remember say me a Spaniard. And you can't do a Spain town and you not rep Gaza. I care what you say. I remember say me I play music from record days. Don't feel like no one of them selectors will pick up a laptop and play music. Man of those streets long time. You are talking about saying I help the artist and the boss the artist. I bust your bubble. And me used to be Black Rhino DJ. Call Rhino and ask him. Mention Naked Fire to him. Wally Passang with Silkboss. QQ and Venomous one drop. Jamil gain the world. You know, and list goes on. In a recent time now, 2 times with him. Cargo, Angel, Alozine. The whole of them. So what more you want here? You know, see me I keep the artist show in Jamaica, the morning show, where a whole heap of artists are come. Glenn Washington fly from foreign, come link me, come on my foot. The legendary Glenn Washington. Spanish Town, nice. One youth named 17, come out of St. Thomas there. I highlight them youth the long time till them youth the thing arise now. Sing a song always remember. Sita the lyrical diva. I highlight them girl, them carry them from my back and run with them. What you mean say me no Silkboss artist? What you talking about? One of the baddest artists now we are coming in a game with name Jibra Star Move. The whole Jamaica go talk about that youth there, hear about that youth there. You come and talk about Masicka. You know nothing about Masicka? The youth of a boss with Masicka. Him name Maestro Dan. You know issue about music. I show a fight and style that youth there. Make that youth in a boss bigger than Masicka and big like Masicka too. You know about music, brother. When you hear me talk on the internet, but you just calm down yourself, yeah? The Gaza people them done with them, man. I'm want to tag him and make him know. The Gaza fans them don't know you, brother. The Gaza fans them wipe you out. Remember me tell you that. You don't realize the Gaza fans don't care how hard they are trying to see them not look for you. The Gaza fans they love me more than you. Remember that. I remember say how they rate me. I not have to ask and tell them that. Me know that. Cause the truth not seem big me up in the media. Remember say we all have phone. A man can link you and have link with you without the public know. Just keep that in mind. Years me I do this. Don't size up. Don't size up. You're a youth to watch your thing. But don't pass your place here. Cause I never did say it. One heart of love. We are growing in real life. And a boy thing. And Masicka then can't run up no time. So nobody boots him.